Question 40. The following are the masses in kg of members in a club. We have 59, 44, 53, 57, 49, 40, 48 and 50. Use the information to answer question 39 and 40. Calculate the variance of the distribution. And let's start with the formula for variance. Formula for variance, V is equals to summation of frequency into open bracket x minus x bar. The x bar is the mean, all squared over summation of the frequency. Now we already have our mean. We can skip the part that requires us finding the mean, but for the sake of better understanding, we can put it in the table and solve for the mean, then find the variance. Looking at this data we've gotten, we can see none of them occur twice, so we have all of them in ones. It is not compulsory to arrange them in ascending order, except for when we're finding the median, but we can just do that. So we can just say our x, all the numbers under x, the masses are 40, 44, 48, 49, 50, 53, 57 and 59. They all occur once, so we have our frequency to be 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1 and 1. And we need the summation of our frequency for the formula, so we have 1 plus 1, 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So we have it to be 8. And we know we need to find our mean first. So what we do is we do our fx for a standard table. Our fx is our x times our f. As our 40 times 1, that's 40. 44 times 1, we have 44. 48 times 1, we have 48. 49 times 1, we have 49. 50 times 1, we have 50. 53 times 1, we have 53. 57 times 1, we have 57. And 59 times 1, we have 59. Now, at this point, we add all of this together to find our mean. Our mean is summation of fx over summation of f. You know our fx, when we added this all together to find our mean before, was 400. So we have this as 400, and our mean will be 400 over 8, which will give us 50 as 50 kg. On the next line, since we know our mean is 50 kg, we have x minus x bar. So that's our x minus our mean. So each of these values, you subtract the mean from them. So we have 40 minus 50, our mean we know is 50, so we have 40 minus 50 will give you minus 10. Then we have 44 minus 50 will give us minus 6. Then you take 48 minus 50 will give us minus 2. 49 minus 50 will give us minus 1. 50 minus 50 will give us 0. 53 minus 50 will give us 3. 57 minus 50 will give us 7. And 59 minus 50 will give us 9. Now we've gotten our x minus x bar, so we will do our absolute x minus x bar. Now as we introduce the slanty sign, and what this sign does is it helps us to remove all of the negatives from the previous table, this table. So we have, rather than have minus 10, we have 10, we have 6, we have 2, we have 1, we have 0, we have 3, we have 7 and we have 9. On the next table, we have x minus x bar all squared. That means you have these values, you square them. So you have 10 times 10, that's 100. 6 times 6 is 36. 2 times 2 is 4. 1 times 1 is 1. 0 times 0 is 0. 3 times 3 is 9. 7 times 7 is 49. And 9 times 9 is 81. Next table is not really necessary since each of our frequencies is 1. But for the sake of full understanding, we'll draw a line and create our last table. The last part of our table says f into open bracket x minus x bar close bracket all squared. That means the answer of this previous table, you multiply it by the frequency, which is all 1. So anything times 1 is 1. 100 times 1 will give you 100. 36 times 1 will give you 36. So you have 100, 36, 4, you have 1, you have 0, you have 9, you have 49, and you have 81. At this point, you have to add all of this because the formula for the variance is summation of f into open bracket x minus x bar all squared. So we have to add all of this as the upper value of the formula for our variance. So we add all of this together. That's 100 plus 36 plus 4 plus 1 plus 0 plus 9 plus 49 plus 81 gives us 280. And like said earlier, the formula for the variance is summation of f into open bracket x minus x bar all squared over summation of f. Summation of f into open bracket x minus x bar all squared is 280. And our summation of our frequency, like we know, is 8. So we have 280 divided by 8, it gives us 35. Since our variance is 35, our answer is therefore A. If we were also asked to find the standard deviation of this question, we can just find the square root of this 35. That gives us the standard deviation, because standard deviation is the square root of the variance. So after finding the variance, you just find the square root to find the standard deviation.